Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss how you can set up auto reply feature for your Facebook page on the BotPenguin platform. When any user comments on your Facebook post, a message can be sent to them in their inbox at that point of time with the help of the auto reply feature. To set up the auto reply feature, you firstly have to select the Facebook bot. On the left hand side, you'll find the bots option. Just click on it. I am selecting this Facebook chatbot for a demo purpose. After selecting your chatbot, you will land on this page. Then you have to navigate to the Facebook automation section. Here you will find the different subsections. You can create and manage your broadcast and drip campaigns from here. You can manage your widgets and you can set up the auto reply feature. If you want to know about any of these sections in detail, then the video links of all of them are given in the description box below. You can check them out. Now let's talk about the auto reply feature. You can set up the auto reply on all of your posts, or you can also select any particular post. If you want to apply the auto reply on all of your Facebook posts, you need to enable this button from here. And here you can configure your auto reply message. The auto reply message might contain the information related to a particular post, or it can contain any message in general. You can type whatever you wish to send to the users after they comment on your Facebook post. For a demo purpose, I am entering this message. Thank you for your comment. We will get back to you in a while. You can select any message according to your need. From here, you can configure the flow to trigger after on reply. That means if the user replies to the message that is sent to them, then which flow do you want to be triggered after their reply? For example, I am selecting the flow 2 here. After the user replies to the above specified message, flow 2 will be triggered. You can also select the time when you want to send the message. When user leaves a comment, you can send the message immediately after that, and you can also select 10 minutes or 30 minutes from this list. If you don't want to apply the auto reply on all of your posts, you can disable this button and you can select any particular post for which you want to set up the auto reply feature. Here I can't see any information because I haven't posted anything on my Facebook page. But on your screen, you will find the list of all the Facebook posts that you have created. You can select the post and configure your auto reply message, configure your flow and select the time. After customizing all of these things, you can click on the update button and your auto reply settings will be saved. So that was all for auto reply feature for your Facebook. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.